Hello everyone, this is Rahela from College. In this lesson, we want to talk about biographies and autobiographies. The word biography comes from Greek, which means life, and graphy means writing. A biography is writing about someone's life. It is in fact a true story that centers on the person's life and how they have contributed to the world. It is usually written both to inform and to entertain. This means it is a mix of factual information and creative writing. Often biographies are of famous people, like singers, models, or sports personalities. However, sometimes biographies of ordinary people focus on the extraordinary experience that they have had, such as surviving against the odds or doing something heroic. Don't mistake biography with autobiography. If someone is writing about their own life, it becomes an autobiography. Although both might focus on a specific part of someone's life and experiences, the difference lies in that biography is written by one person about another person's life, whereas autobiography is the story of one's life written by the author himself or herself. Now look at the two examples that have been provided for you. Read the text and decide which is a biography and which is an autobiography. Now let's check the answers. How many did you get right? I hope both. In this slide, we'll look at the characteristics of biography. Let's look at orientation. This is a part in biographical writing that contains the introduction of characters or the initial description of character being told. Events. Events and problems are parts of the biography that talks about the events that have been experienced by the characters. The problems faced in trying to achieve their goals, as well as their inspiring experiences. Another element is the reorientation. This is the closing part of a biography, which is optional. In this section, the author gives his views on the characters that told in the biography. A biography is a true story of a person's life that is written by someone else. This true story has all the elements of fiction. So we have characters, setting, and plot. These elements all come from a real person's life, so the characters are real. The setting is an actual place, and the events truly happened. Generally, biographies are written about famous individuals or someone who has made an important impact on society. This person is known as the subject. So the subject is the person whose life is being described in the biography. Another feature of a biography is that it is written by another person. The biographer is the one who writes the biography. If you're writing about the story of Barack Obama, then Barack Obama would be the subject and you would be the biographer. Biographies are written in third-person point of view, which means the narrator is outside the story. Therefore, the narrator uses pronouns like he, she, her, and him to refer to the subject. Usually, to write a biography, the biographer interviews the subject and researches the subject's life. This could mean reading various types of information on the subject or even interviewing other people in the subject's life. The purpose is to present an accurate account of the subject's life, so any information the biographer can find on the subject helps to meet his goal. Usually, best biographies try to include the strengths and success of the subject, as well as the weaknesses and failures. In this way, most biographers try to be unbiased towards their subjects. On this slide, we have provided various forms and examples of biographies. So you may read about artists, musicians, entrepreneurs, actors, writers, historical figures, notorious people, scientists, inventors, poets, political activists, athletes, adventurers and explorers, religious leaders, and political readers. This is an extract taken from Steve Jobs by Walter Isaacson. Read the text and answer the questions. You can check your answers on the next slide. Good luck!